In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up alerts on Microsoft Edge. First, let's open Microsoft Edge. You will want to locate the Edge icon on your computer. This could be on your desktop or in your taskbar. When you click on it, the browser will launch, displaying your home page or the last page you visited. Opening Microsoft Edge is the gateway to customizing your web experience, and it allows you to manage how you receive updates and alerts from your favorite websites. Next, click the three-dot menu, which you will find in the upper right corner of the browser window. This menu is often referred to as the More menu. When you click it, a drop-down will appear, revealing a range of options to customize your Edge experience. This is where you can access settings, features, and preferences. By familiarizing yourself with this menu, you can navigate through Edge more efficiently and find essential settings that enhance your browsing. Now, select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the settings page where you can adjust various features. You will see a sidebar on the left with multiple categories, which helps you to navigate through the options easily. Adjusting your settings is crucial as it tailors Microsoft Edge to fit your browsing habits and preferences, making your internet experience smoother and more efficient. From there, go to Cookies and Site Permissions, or you might see it labeled simply as Site Permissions. This section allows you to manage how websites interact with your browser. Here you can control cookie preferences, location access, and notifications. It's essential to regularly check these settings to ensure that you have the right permissions enabled for a secure and personalized browsing experience. Click Notifications next. This will direct you to the notification settings where you can manage alerts from websites. You will see options to enable or disable notifications for all websites or manage them individually. This functionality is important because it gives you control over what you want to be notified about, helping you avoid unwanted distractions while browsing. Turn on Ask Before Sending, which is the recommended option. This setting ensures that you receive a prompt whenever a website requests permission to send notifications. By keeping this feature enabled, you can make informed decisions about which sites can alert you, protecting your focus and minimizing interruptions. Now visit the website you want to receive alerts from and click Allow when Edge asks for permission. As you navigate to your chosen site, keep an eye out for the notification request. Clicking Allow here is the critical step that enables the website to send you alerts. This means you will start receiving timely updates and notifications from that site, enhancing your engagement and keeping you informed about important content. To manage alerts for a specific website, first open that website in Edge. You will want to ensure you are on the correct page to manage the notifications effectively. This step is all about customization, allowing you to refine how you receive updates based on your preferences for each site. Next, click the padlock or site information icon next to the address bar. This icon signifies the security status of the website you are visiting. By clicking it, you gain quick access to permissions related to that specific site, making it easy to adjust notification settings on the fly. This is particularly useful as it streamlines the process of managing alerts without digging through broader settings. Find notifications under Permissions for this site. Here you will see options to either allow or block notifications from the site. Choosing Allow means you will receive alerts, while Block will stop any notifications from coming through. This level of control is essential, as it allows you to tailor your browsing experience according to your needs and preferences. If you are not receiving notifications, check that notifications are enabled in Edge. Microsoft states that Edge can be set to allow notifications, block them, or ask each time a site requests permission. Ensuring that notifications are configured correctly will help you stay updated without missing important alerts. This little step saves you a lot of time later, ensuring you remain informed and engaged with the content you care about.